Today I'm putting a road in for a customer, going all the way back, right about to there, into the backyard. Looks like I got a few stumps to take out. He took the bushes out for me. There's a random rocket in the yard there. Going all the way back here, into the backyard. First I'm gonna power rake it and loosen up the soil. Then I'm gonna scrape it up with a bucket and load it and get it out of here. The goal is to get all the way back here where those flags end in the backyard. Got a stump here. I'm gonna grind that out. That should be too big of a deal. Get that out of the way. Got a handful more stumps back here. And we'll be ending. Get this video set up and you can see the action. Thanks for watching. Good morning. Whole drive tilled up. I used the power rake, and now I'm going to start scooping the dirt up, loading it into the truck and the trailer. And you kind of see what I got here. It's all pretty much pulverized now. It'll be easy to scoop up. Use the power rake to edge along there, make the nice clean edges there, and tomorrow I'll have the stone brought in. I'm gonna do it 53s with the dust packed down real nice and tight. This is how I use my power rake I take the guard off, and it acts like a big tiller basically, and it chews down about 4 to 6 inches, perfect depth for putting a driveway in. So I'm gonna get this camper set up and show you the removal of the dirt. Excavated yesterday, and you can kind of see I dropped it down about 4 to 6 inches, dug out the dirt, hauled that away. There's my tripod. Pretty simple. One of the little, I don't know what you call those, squiggly wiggly things. Anyways, that's what I use for my tripod, and I got all this dug out all the way back there. I think this is about, I'm gonna say about 150 to 200 feet long going into the backyard. So I got the stone coming. We'll get that going here in a second and get this drive done. Thanks for watching. And good morning again. Driveway. I have to correct myself from earlier. It is actually closer to 250 feet. I said 150. So got it all done. I just put 53s down, compacted them. I used the truck, weighs about 7,000 pounds. So that makes a pretty good compactor. And the as you saw, the dump truck delivering drove over it where the tires will be driving, and that packed it down too. So good couple rains, let it dry out, it'll be solid as concrete. There you go. Thanks for watching. 250-foot driveway installed, took 2 days, and here's the finished product. Thanks, have a good day.